driver. Oh. What? Release the brake. Release the brake. That's good. Pala nakatla yung kanina. Dapat kunin yung car natin. Magdadaan lang ako para hindi kami siya lumalapan. Yan. Oh no! Wait lang! Oh no!
No, 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 no.
So going there like this. Dito yata kinokontrol nila. Ang stop nila saan? Mayroon kasunod tayo. Net video mo lang. Mayroon. Mela, are you sure? Oh, like that. Oh. Parang sumasayad yung bag natin.
Please do not stop on the track unless you need to in order to avoid a collision or to follow staff instruction. Stopping on the track increases the risk of someone colliding with you and affects other guests.
Kanina nga dangerous man yung kanina ginawa mo. Oo. Sa kurbada pa naman tayo. Oo, nag-stop ako kasi naka-stop ka. Nawala na yung pag ganito lang, easy-easy lang. Yes. Pero mamaya yung kanina yan, no, di ba? Ito straight lang ito pa uwi yung paano talaga yung very yung kambya, kunin mo yung kambya ko. Yung kambya dalawa. Ito yung kambya. Go to go. Pag stop, huwag mo i-stop kasi going up tayo. Ayan, baka hindi na ito yung mag-up. Control ng electricity to. Oh, paano kung mag-stop ng electricity? Pwede stop din siya. Oh. Maglakad tayo. Ayan. Ayan na siya. Oh, bilis na. Nag-iisa lang siya. Relax na relax. Okay na, Mills? Ay, malapit na tayo.
At the first waterfall, there is a station to recharge the focus power before going up another hill to continue your ride. You will have about 30 seconds on the
Ano na, dito na tayo. Yes, wait na. Ayan na. Hindi na siya. Ay, mas easy yung pabalik. Kaya nga. Parap na yung video doon. May layo pa baba na. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Pwede pala magdalawa. Alright, our ride is done. Ay, dito pala, Net.